Live from KTVN Reno, you're watching 2 News at 5:30.
Anything that you can do to reduce your taxable income will tend to drive down the tax bracket you're in and then the percentage that you owe.
Yeah, even though it's early November, it's not too early to start thinking about your taxes. What you can do now can save you money next year, as Money Watch tops 2 News at 5:30. Yeah, there's quite a few different things you can do to make sure that you're getting the maximum refund that you want coming up next year. Good evening, I'm Ryan Kennedy.
And I'm Kristen Remington. Thanks for keeping it here with us, and you have several weeks to make those changes. Chris Buckley shows us some things to start thinking about.
Perfect time of year to start thinking about it.
It's not too early to start preparing for tax season. First, by making sure the amount you're withholding is correct and that you're maximizing deductions to reduce your taxable income.
By paying perhaps some of your 2020 expenses forward into 2019. For example, if you made your January house payment, you would be able to deduct the interest on your 2019 return. In the same vein, if you have a property tax installment due in January, if you pay that in December, you'll be able to deduct that payment.
You can also deduct future tuition fees that were paid this year and earn credits for children and other family members you've supported during the year. One major change this season, the requirement to have health insurance under the Affordable Care Act is no longer an issue.
And this is the first year where that repeal is effective, and those additional taxes that were levied are no longer part of the tax code. So people without health insurance may see a significant savings.
When it comes time to file, tax pros say it's always better to do it on time. Otherwise, penalties start to stack up.
If you have a balance due to them and you're not able to pay it, they will work out a payment plan with you where you have actually up to 6 years to pay it if you're in a situation where you really need that amount of time.
And there have been a number of IRS-related scams floating around. Remember, the IRS will never call and ask you for money. They always communicate via U.S. mail. Covering the story, Chris Buckley, 2 News.
AT